class 9th. Today we are continuing with chapter 11, Modern Age in Europe, the Renaissance. Today's topic is Impact of Renaissance on Science. We will discuss the following points. So the objectives of today's topic are astronomy, physics, chemistry and medicine, mathematics, other inventions and discoveries. Now we will discuss the following key terms. Number 1, feudalism. It was combination of the legal, economic, military and cultural customs that flourished in medieval Europe between the 9th and 15th centuries. Number 2, supernaturalism. A belief in an otherworldly realm or reality that in one way or another is commonly associated with all forms of religion. Number 3, astronomy, a branch of science which deals with celestial objects, space and the physical universe as a whole. Number 4, hydrostatic balance, the condition of a fluid or plastic solid at rest. Impact of Renaissance on science. The Renaissance marked the beginning of modern science. Earlier it was held that all views, even on science, are to be supported by the authority of the scriptures. However, the scientists of this period believed that all views on science should be based on observation and experimentation. The method of inquiry, questioning, observation and experimentation are used even today in scientific investigation. Now come to the reading part. Impact of Renaissance on science, page number 215. Feudalism, domination of the church and blind faiths of the people in supernaturalism, mysteries and superstitions stood in the way of the progress of science. Roger Bacon was the first person to lay stress on original thinking and scientific investigations. This led to the development of scientific spirit and new inventions which brought about a revolution in political, economic, social and cultural life. Blind faiths of the people in supernaturalism, mysteries and superstitions, all these came in the path of the progress of science. Roger Bacon was the first person who laid stress on original thinking and scientific investigation, which brought a great revolution in political, economic, social and cultural life. Astronomy. According to Ptolemy's system, the sun, the moon and other stars moved around the earth. But a scientist of Poland named Copernicus, 1473 to 1543 CE, proved that the earth was round and the earth, the moon and other stars moved round the sun in a circle. Later on, a German scientist, John Kepler, 1571 to 1630 CE, proved that the earth and other planets move round the sun not in a circle but in elliptical orbits. Italian scientist Galileo, 1564 to 1642 CE, invented telescope. Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727 CE, discovered the law of gravitation. Astronomy. Ptolemy proved that the sun, the moon and other stars move round the earth. Nicholas Copernicus, he was a mathematician and astronomer who formulated a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than the earth at the center of the universe. Later on, a German scientist, John Kepler, proved that the earth and other planets move round the sun not in a circle but in elliptical orbits. Italian scientist Galileo invented the telescope. Sir Isaac Newton discovered the law of gravitation. Physics. Gilbert, 1540 to 1603 CE, carried on experiments concerning the properties of magnet and paved the way for the study of electricity. Stephen, 1548 to 1620 CE, discovered the law of parallelogram of forces. Physics. Gilbert. Gilbert carried on experiments on the properties of magnet. He created the world's first electroscope to detect electric charge. Stephen. He was a Flemish mathematician who presented the first elementary and discovered the law of parallelogram of forces. Galileo. Galileo was not only an astronomer but also a great physicist. Aristotle believed that heavier bodies fall at a rapid speed than the lighter bodies. Galileo challenged this theory and successfully proved that the speed of falling bodies depends upon distance and not on weight. He also invented thermometer and hydrostatic balance and laid the foundation of modern dynamics. Galileo. He was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer. He studied speed and velocity, gravity, and free fall. He also worked in applied science and technology, describing the properties of hydrostatic balances. He also invented thermometer and laid the foundation of modern dynamics. Chemistry and medicine. Vesalius 1514 to 1564 CE and Harvey 1576 to 1657 CE laid the foundation of modern anatomy. Vesalius gave a correct picture of human body, while Harvey proved that the functioning of human body depends on the circulation of blood. Paracelsus 1493 to 1541 CE proved a close connection between medicine and chemistry and used chemicals for medicinal purposes. Cordus 1515 to 1544 CE prepared ether from alcohol and sulfuric acid. Helmont 1577 to 1644 CE discovered carbon dioxide. Chemistry and medicine. Great discoveries were made in the field of medical sciences. Vesalius wrote a treatise on anatomy. William Harvey, an English physician, discovered the circulation of blood from the heart to all parts of the body and back to the heart. Paracelsus proved a close connection between medicine and chemistry. Cordus prepared ether from alcohol and sulfuric acid. Helmont discovered carbon dioxide. Mathematics. The Arabs gave algebra and numerals to the West. Western scientists discovered different kinds of equation. Modern geometry was made systematic by Desargues 1593 to 1662 CE. Descartes devised analytic geometry. Stephen advocated a decimal system of coins, weights, and measures. Arabs gave algebra and numerals to the West. Modern geometry was made systematic by Desargues. Stephen advocated decimal system of coins, weights, and measures. Other inventions and discoveries. Telescope, microscope, printing press, gunpowder and handgun, and mariner's compass were the important invention of the Renaissance. The scientific progress made in the Renaissance era laid the foundation of modern science. Other inventions and discoveries. The other important inventions of the Renaissance were telescope, microscope, printing press, mariner's compass. These scientific progress laid the foundation of modern science in the Renaissance era. So students, we have discussed till here. Read the chapter thoroughly, learn the basic terms and follow the SNAP homework. Thank you.